maximum value of multiplier, if MPC is equal to 1, then multiplier will be infinity. K is equal to 1 over 1 minus MPC. K is equal to 1 over 1 minus 1, 1 upon 0, that is equal to infinity. The minimum value of a multiplier. Minimum value of a multiplier when the value of MPC is equal to 0, then multiplier will be equal to 1. K is equal to 1 over 1 minus MPC. K is equal to 1 over 1 minus 0. 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So the limit of multiplier value is infinite to 1. This is a maximum and this is a minimum limit. This is a maximum value and this is a minimum value of multiplier. Now the next point is diagrammatical presentation. Diagrammatical presentation of multiplier. How we can present the multiplier on a diagram? First of all, we will take on OX axis and the OY axis. On OX axis, we will take income, output, employment. On OY axis, we will take aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Now, this is our aggregate supply curve, that is equal to 45-degree angle. And this is our aggregate demand curve. This is equal to C plus I. Now, multiplier means change in investment. If we are doing change in investment, then this curve will be shifted to the parallel of this, because investment is autonomous. This curve will be shifted here. This is initial equilibrium. Now this is the equilibrium. Here C plus I plus change in I. Now, before the change in investment, the equilibrium level of income is this. And after the change in investment, the level of equilibrium is this. The level of equilibrium is this. Now, this is our change in investment and this is our change in income. Change in income is more than change in investment. Change in income is more than change in investment. That is known as multiplier. Change in income is more than change in investment. That is known as the multiplier. See here some formulas. Multiplier is equal to change in Y upon change in I. That is also equal to 1 over 1 minus MPC, and that is also equal to 1 over MPS. Y is equal to aggregate supply and Y is equal to C plus S. At equilibrium level, aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, saving is equal to investment, and C is equal to C constant plus BY, and saving is equal to minus C constant plus 1 minus BY. In this question, in a two-sector economy, the income function C plus I, the income function C plus I and consumption function is given, that is C is equal to 40 plus 0.751. If investment are 60 crore, calculate the equilibrium level of income, equilibrium level of consumption and saving at the equilibrium level. You know y is equal to C plus I. Y is equal to C plus I and y is equal to C is given here 40 plus 0.75y and investment is given, that is 60 crore. It means y is equal to 100 plus 0.75y. 0.25y is equal to 100, then y is equal to 100 upon 0.25, that is equal to 400 crore. Second is level of consumption at equilibrium level. Level of consumption at equilibrium level means C is equal to C constant plus By. That is equal to 40 plus 0.75 into 100. That is equal to 40 plus 75 by 100 into 400. 40 plus 300, that is equal to 340. Then consumption is equal to 340. The level of consumption at equilibrium level is 340. Now what is saving? If income is 400 and consumption is 340, then saving is equal to y minus c, that is equal to 60. Saving is equal to 60. So this is our question, how we can calculate the equilibrium level of income, consumption and the saving. See, next question, in two-sector economy, the saving function is given and the investment function is given. Calculate equilibrium level of income. You know, at equilibrium level of income, saving is equal to investment. If saving is equal to investment, minus 10 plus 0.2y is equal to minus 3 plus 0.1y. Minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 0.1y minus 0.2y. Minus 7 is equal to minus 0.1y. Y is equal to 7 upon 0.1, that is equal to 70. Then y is equal to 70. Calculate the equilibrium level of income. The equilibrium level of income is 70. Is it clear? In an economy, the investment expenditure is rupees 70 crore and the consumption function is 60 plus 0.801. You have to find out the determination of equilibrium level of income. Second, find the equilibrium income when planned investment is increased by rupees 10 crores. Third is value of multiplier due to increase in investment expenditure. See, you know, at the equilibrium level, y is equal to c plus I and y is equal to c is given 60 plus 0.80y and investment is given 70 crore. Then y is equal to 130 plus 0.8y. Y minus 0.8, that is equal to 130. Now here y is equal to 650. Here y is equal to 650. The determination of equilibrium level is 650. The second point is find the equilibrium level when planned investment is increased by 10. Before that investment is 70. Now investment is increased by 10. Now the investment is equal to 80. It means 60 plus 0.8y plus 80. Y is equal to 140 plus 0.8. y minus 0.8 that is equal to 140, 0.2y is equal to 140 and y is equal to 140 upon 0.20 that is equal to 5 and y is equal to 70. Y is equal to 70. The third point is value of a multiplier due to increase in investment expenditure. You know what is the value of multiplier? Multiplier is equal to change in y upon change in I. How much change in income? Before income is 650, now the income is 70. It means change in income is 50 and change in investment is 10, so that multiplier is equal to 5. This is your answer. Multiplier is equal to 5. In a second question, if saving function of an economy is given s is equal to minus 40 plus 0.4y, calculate the total increase in income if investment expenditure is increased by 700. You have to find out increase in income and investment expenditure is 700 crores. First, you know saving function is given here. At equilibrium level, saving is equal to investment. So, if saving is equal to investment, then what we will write here? In saving function, 0.4 is a MPS. In saving function, minus 40 plus 0.4y. Here, 0.4 is a MPS. MPS is equal to 0.4. Then if MPS is equal to 0.4, then multiplier is equal to 1 over MPS. That is equal to 2.5. Multiplier is equal to 2.5. If multiplier is equal to 2.5, then K is equal to change in Y upon change in I. Here 2.5 multiplier is given, change in income you find out, and investment is 700. It means 2.5 multiplied 700, that is equal to change in income. And this change in income is equal to, the change in income is equal to 1740. Change in income is equal to 1740. This is your answer.